Sadly, there are times that people find themselves needing to move to long-term care. Sometimes that's a skilled nursing facility, what we usually call a nursing home. Other times it's an assisted living facility. But you've hit a point in life where, for a variety of different reasons, staying home is no longer a safe option. In those situations, the expenses that people face are devastating. And frequently they're trying to figure out, how can we reduce some of the long-term expenses, preserve things for often the spouse who's going to stay home, and these can be really overwhelming. Generally speaking, we think of this approach to things almost as what we would call Medicaid planning, meaning we're anticipating moving assets, providing for, spun down is a term that comes up, but essentially trying to figure out what's the best way to utilize the family's resources to provide the best level of care, but at the same time not unnecessarily spend more than you're legally obligated to. There's a lot of things that can be done depending on where you are and depending on the other circumstances and legal documents in place. So again, I would just encourage anybody who's facing these circumstances or worried about these circumstances to talk to an experienced attorney and get the right answers, as opposed to trying to figure it all out yourself when this can be a very difficult and overwhelming circumstance.